again. Xavier here. She-Hulk, attorney at law. With Tatiana Maslany. That's what I'm going to be reacting to. The trailer for that. Disney Plus series that's coming out soon. I really love Tatiana in Orphan Black. That's a show. That's a series I have to finish. I started watching it up until they introduced. Wait, I'm gonna spoil it, but up until to introduce a whole new dynamic to it, and then I just think that was like the end of the season, and then a new season came out. I was like too busy to get back into it. I know, so I'm gonna finish that one day, maybe on the channel, maybe not. We'll see. But yeah, She-Hulk. I'm not familiar. I know what She-Hulk looks like. I think she's like similar powers to the Hulk. I like never read She-Hulk comic or anything. I've only like seen the character in various Marvel like games and all that. So they have a blank slate with me for this character, and I just hope it's a good series. Finishing up Hawkeye soon, and then to move on to Moon Knight, and then like for all the Disney Plus stuff with the Sowers and all that to come. But so looking forward to this, and let's get into it and see what's up.
Being a superhero is a trial by fire. Who's gonna protect the world if not people like you?
I'm Jennifer Walters. I'm a lawyer. I have great friends.
Can we get some shots, please? It's an emergency.
A demanding job.
We just started a superhuman law division, and I want you to be the face of it.
And a frustrating family.
Because you didn't ask for this, but you still gotta deal with it. Your transformations are triggered by anger and fear.
Those are like the baseline of any woman just existing.
Oh.
Bruce, kind of feels like if I don't transform, I'm gonna die.
Yes, yes, yes. No, no.
I just want to be a normal, anonymous lawyer.
Can you tell us where She-Hulk is?
Jen, you're a story now.
Girl, your ass looks crazy right now.
Okay.
You could be an Avenger.
Oh, I'm not a superhero. That is for billionaires and narcissists and adult orphans for some reason.
Almost 17.
Is there anything more depressing than dating in your 30s?
Yeah, this is the best date I've had in a while.
Oh.
Should we split some fries?
Let's get those to go.
Oh, I want that. Okay. It looks interesting, I'll say that. I'm definitely looking forward to that. Tatiana, yeah, she's always looked up. She's hot here, even as a green, like big lady. Banging, yo, banging. It's like, yeah, she's doing it. Oh, and Ruffalo's in there also again as Bruce Banner. So Hulk and She-Hulk together. Guess to get a fan use Hulk since they can't really put him in a movie by himself. So hopefully this is a great vehicle. We get some great banter. I really trust though I would trust both Ruffalo and Tatiana Maslany as a duo. I'm really looking forward to that. I really expect good things. And she's an attorney, and like she is actually playing herself. I'm saying She-Hulk is actually being Hulk herself. She-Hulk, she's not being Jennifer Walters' character all alone. So it's not like a thing where it appears that people know that she is She-Hulk, just like people know Bruce Banner is Hulk. And so that's interesting. So it's not like a thing where secret entity where like Peter Parker, Spider-Man, like where he had a secret identity. So it's not like that. That's what I'm picking up from the trailer right there. So that would be interesting, and I think it definitely have some impact on her and Gecko see how she was dating, and like maybe that impacted who swiped right on her, or maybe it's just like, oh, she's a celebrity, she's a superhero, oh, definitely gotta give the swipe right on her. I don't know, and we'll see. Definitely looks interesting. I can give you that. Give you that. Not sure if it'll be good. I hope so. I want it to be good because it looks fun, and so I just hope it's good. And that She-Hulk property, there's not been much done with it, so I hope they do good with it. And it's a great watch, look forward to it. Definitely, for sure it comes. Being carried like that. Yeah. Okay. Ignore that. Okay. See you later. Bye.